Hi everybody, today is New Year's Eve and I'm gonna do New Year's prep with you guys. I'm super excited. I have so much to share with you guys. I just did my hair this morning, got some makeup, got my pretty earrings on because I am spending New Year's Eve alone. Now, you see me smiling and you're probably like, this girl is crazy. I originally was always gonna be alone for New Year's Eve because my husband already left to go back to deployment. And, my friend Caroline, I saw the other day, we went to a comedy show and she's like, do you wanna go out for New Year's Eve? And I was like, let's go out. And then after the comedy show, two of her friends were there and they're like, it's only 9 o'clock, what do you guys wanna do? And I was like, oh my gosh, I am such a grandma. I was like, I don't wanna go out. I wanna go home, go to my animals, go to bed. After that reaction, I was like, you know what? I don't want to go out to New Year's Eve, like it's fun, like to go out dancing and be with people, but again, it's probably going to be like so crowded, I'm going to be like back to back, not even be able to dance. Realistically, I probably wouldn't enjoy my time and then I'll spend money, start this new year right, and not that that is not a right way to start the new year. Hold on, let me put you guys down because I'm probably moving a lot. But not that that's not a way to go do something, but I'm not that kind of girl. Like, I am an introvert, I'm the homey type of girl, spend time with family. I could have went to go, see my aunt, but I just want to be in my own, space, my own home. And yeah, I just was like, I don't want to go out. That's not my scene. It's 2019. We're going to start this off right. Because last year I was in Spain and I was stuck at the airport like 3 days. Not literally stuck at the airport, but I was at the airport 3 days trying to get back home and it was snowing. So we're gonna start this new year solid. We're gonna start it right. I just got groceries. I ordered from Envoy. As a treat for myself, instead of going out, I treated myself to get my food shopping delivered. Let's go. And then I'm gonna go into New Year's prep and what we're gonna do. And yes, I do have Valentine's Day stuff out a little bit. I already put away the Christmas stuff because Devin left and I needed him to help me. But anyway, here is my Trader Joe order. We got some Ezekiel bread because, your girl is trying to be low glycemic. And then I got some vegetable broth, bananas. We got some rolled oats here. And then I got 4 things of almond milk because your girl goes through that like crazy. We got some organic romaine lettuce, organic spinach, my pearl tomatoes. These are my favorite tomatoes. We got some broccoli, we got stir fry, some carrots for a salad. Let's see, what else do we got here, guys? We got, this is my favorite like frozen blend from Trader Joe's. It's a Medalish, I don't know how to say that, blend. It's green barzone beans, red and green lentils with a touch of tomato. And we got some veggie burgers, and we got some firm tofu, and then edamame. And then in this bag, we got some oranges, potatoes, cucumber. We got some celery to have like celery juice. And yeah, we got sweet potatoes and potatoes, oranges and whatnot. So that is like a quick overview of what I got from Trader Joe's. Super exciting, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm gonna put the groceries away. We're gonna do some cleaning up. She gave me 2 bananas.
Together, I'll be there and you'll be near. That's the day, my dear.
Bring you back into this past weekend where I did clear out some clothing and I'm gonna be donating it to Goodwill. So let's I like to do at the end of the year, I like to sort out my clothes, clean my closet, like reorganize, and go through things that I don't want. So far I have this pile. The shirt's like just too big on me. These are like my old work shirts, and they just have like that worky smell. I don't know, it's weird. I've had this sweater since like high school. Like shirts that I never wear, like this one. I think I've wore this once, and I just love the color of it. That's why I don't like want to get rid of it, but I don't like the way it looks on me. So it's like not that flattering, I guess, on me. So this is gonna like go. So as you could see, like it's a cute shirt, but like if I don't have like a bra on, first of all, I don't have boobs, so it doesn't work out. I mean, it could work out if it was like that. TMI, right guys? But I don't know. I just never wear this shirt, so clearly this shirt I really like. It has this really pretty gem sequence on it. It's tight, it has these little like opening slit in the front, and it just shows my cleavage the way I like it. It's just a really cute shirt. Cute. I lived in my old condo 2 years ago. I did get rid of 8 bags of clothing. Personally for me, throughout the years, I don't really change in weight, and for that reason, I just keep everything that I had. And I did get rid of a lot. This time, I still got rid of a lot. I got rid of things that I don't no longer wear, and it's just sitting in my closet. And for the new year, I would like to get staple pieces and get really like neutral colors for the upcoming year. Okay, we got 4 Trader Joe bags of clothes. And then the next thing that I do to prepare for the new year is to get healthy. Now, I've already been getting healthy for the past month and a half, 2 months, just to propel me forward into the new year. Right. As you saw my Trader Joe's groceries and everything that I got. Next up is to nourish my body, and that's to fuel with the right foods. So let's make some lunch. Yesterday I made a vegan eggless salad. I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna toast some Ezekiel bread, cut up some lettuce and tomato, and that will be my lunch. I'm pretty hungry now that I worked out today, had my breakfast. For breakfast I had oatmeal with blueberries, maple syrup, cinnamon, and water because I didn't have any more almond milk with me, flaxseed, flax oil, and some walnuts and blueberries. It is officially raining on New Year's Eve in Arizona. How ironic is that? When we're all about sunshine here in the Valley of the Sun. Yep, it's raining, but I see it symbolically. I like everything to have a meaning. It's just the way I operate. I love having symbolism in my life and meaning, and I just looking at it as we're cleansing all the bullshit of 2018 away, right? Cleansing our souls and just get rid of it, all the toxicity, because we're gonna go into the new year strong, people. Next thing that I like to do, and what I will be doing tonight, I'm gonna be showing it to you now because it's gonna get dark out and I won't really be able to film too much. And I wanna get this video up today for you guys so that you can have some inspiration if you need. I am going to be watching the movie The Secret. Now, The Secret is my favorite thing. And going into the new year, I would like to watch this at least once a month, just to get me back into positivity and out of negative self-talk or just a negative vibe if I'm having one. My spiritual journey started with watching this movie back in 2009, a long time ago. Actually, I think it's around the time that it came out. It came out in 2006. This came into my life around 2008, 2009 when I was working with my uncle at the Good Steer in New York at a restaurant. A woman talked about it and I was just like, what is it? She just praised it so much and how it changed her mindset and stuff. And this blew my mind. I have been watching this for so long. I could literally recite this back to back because that's how obsessed I was with it. Now, this is a great beginner's guide. The only thing that I would steer away from is when they're talking about money, because you do have to put your work and effort in order to manifest money and whatnot. But we're not going to get into it in that aspect, but the secret is where it all began for me. And I love the law of attraction and manifesting, and I believe it's a very, very powerful tool to use in your life. I believe I used to have the cassettes to play in the car too. I have the book, and then I also have the secret daily teachings here too. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a vision board, and I've made a video about making vision boards before, so definitely go check it out. It's really simple to do a vision board. It's a fun, creative way to start being creative and getting into your mind and visualizing the things that you want and putting it on a poster board. I have a bunch of magazines I'm gonna cut out while I watch this movie, and I'm gonna do that tonight. And it's super inspiring. Boards is just my go-to all the time. I have a ton of vision boards. I encourage it to do it because it's just fun, and put your goals in a picture visual form. If you're a visual person, it's a great way to get it on a piece of paper, and you put it somewhere where you'll see it every day. I'm gonna be posting mine next to my desk area so that I could see it every single day. I'm gonna, have a nice movie night with myself, and then I'm gonna also watch just a regular movie, make some popcorn, drink a little bit of wine, and just chill out for the rest of the evening. It's traditional in Madrid, Spain, or in Spain in general, to eat 12 grapes, one for each second, because it's known to be a good luck thing in Spain. I bought myself unpitted grapes this time because the last time I was in Spain, the grapes were pitted and me and my brother had no idea. I bought those to just add in a tradition. All of this stuff is a great way to just set intentions and just to really energetically, it's just a great way to just tap into your power, doing all these different things. It could be anything that you would traditionally do every year that sets those intentions and those goals and just really mean it. That's how it'll ripple into the universe and just manifest into your life. Another thing that I like to do that is also a Spain tradition, and this is really for women, it could be for men too, and if you have like a husband or a boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever the situation is to get some underwear and some red bras. In Spain, it's tradition. Red is a very traditional color. It's good luck. It's same thing in like the Chinese New Year. It's, really good luck, and I really love the color red. So if you want to get some underwear, lingerie, whatever it is that you desire, but you have to buy it new. That is the tradition in Spain. Every year they go and buy red new bras, red new panties. This was actually, my cousin's, and accidentally it went into my suitcase. And she was just like, keep it, it might not fit you, but it actually fits me. So wearing that before the new year hits is also a traditional thing you could do to have new intentions and just bring in, the newness and to be open to receiving new things and new opportunities. Other than that, that is everything that I have to show to you to prep for the new year. I did a lot of things. I'm gonna enjoy and relax the rest of my evening, get this video up for you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in 2019. Oh my gosh. Already my husband is in 2019 where he's at, so it's like really weird because he's like in the future, but it's not 2019 here yet. And I'm celebrating New York's 2019 because I'm not about to stay up till midnight here in Arizona. Because your girl gotta get to the gym in the morning, and I gotta get hiking, and we gotta start this new year right. Namaste, guys. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye.